welcome to another episode of Moose's Geary Glue Review. I know this is like super quick and random, and I'm actually trying to do this really fast because I want to know what's in the package. But I got a package, and it's going to be an unboxing, and I'm pretty sure this is my package from A.G. Russell, which is a knife company. I'm not very familiar with it, but I know that this model of knife comes from White River Knives. They had them in stock at A.G. Russell. I was impatient. I wanted to get one. I wanted to handle it, know what it's like. So I pulled the trigger on it. Plus I wanted to know what it's like ordering from other knife companies, kind of like I did with White River Knives and Knife Center and all those other ones. So let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. I'm using the White River Firecraft 3.5. Awesome, compact, fixed blade, designed for fire starting. But let's check it out and let's see what the packaging is like and see what the results are. Also, like I said too, USA made blades was another one that I tried out. Really good experience with that. But this is A.G. Russell, or GA. If there's any discrepancies, I'll put a link in the description below as far as like what it's actually called and whatnot. And here we go. Yes. So we got the box in there. We have the paperwork and there we go. It's A.G. Russell Knives. Russell's for men, so that's the company. I'll leave links in the description below. Here we go. White River Knives, knife and tool. Another awesome looking box. And made in the USA. And we have to break the seal, crack it open, and check out this blade. Can't wait. So excited. This is not going to be a full-fledged review. Oh yeah. And once again, excellent presentation by White River Knives. Stunning, really cool looking box. It wasn't quite secured in there perfectly, but nonetheless. Oh, there we go. That's how it fits. Really nice. And the knife is the Knucklehead 2. We got paperwork, of course. Ooh, I didn't know it came with this. But Kydex sheath, real legit paracord with a snap breaking lanyard, which is sweet. It actually comes with a mount. It looks like the same mount that's on the Firecraft. So that's really awesome. And take a quick first look. And yes, it is the S35 variant or version. Originally this knife comes in S30V, but just recently they upgraded it to S35VN. Oops, so if you can catch that right there. And the Knucklehead 2 is one of their popular neck knife, full tang neck knife designs. And the original one is a chisel grind. But the Knucklehead 2 is actually a saber grind. And this just looks wicked. Lightweight. Love the jimping. Oh. So, super excited. So far, totally stoked. Love the finish. You got the bottle cap lifter in the back. So hopefully this video works. I'm shooting it on my cell phone and I'll upload it quick. But there you have it, guys. That's the unboxing of the White River Knives Knucklehead 2. Super stoked. Presentation, again, off the charts, 10 out of 10. As far as delivery from A.G. Russell and Knives, came pretty quick, within 3 days. I ordered it on a Friday, so obviously you have to wait for that business day, but you know, within 4 days, pretty awesome. So far, so good. So, thanks a ton, everyone. Please like, comment, and subscribe.